Okay, so I'm gonna make a cucumber, Chinese cucumber. It's a really easy one. 2, 3 of them, lightly wash, water off. And I recommend this one. You really like when you are angry. I recommend to do it. And you need a ZIPLOCK and beat it. Don't over angry, okay? Here. And you can put inside here. If it's too big, you can just cut or like use a bigger ZIPLOCK and put in here. You can add dashi shoyu, which is a seasoned soy, a little bit slightly like sweet, and some broth. Maybe I would say 2 or 3 tablespoons, and rice vinegar, like 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon, and you do rayu, which is a chili oil, and here, like maybe 2 push, and you zip it and shake it, shake it, and put in the refrigerator, wait half an hour or 1 hour, and you can cut it, you can eat it. That's it, easy.
Amazing.
Okay. Thank you.
And that's just vinegar and dashi?
Dashi soy, dashi shoyu.
Dashi soy.
Dashi shoyu, yeah.
In the big carton, and then the vinegar in the
Here.
bottle. Yeah. And then that's the hot sauce.
Yeah.
Then you can just get the wooden mallet at the hardware store?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it like a beer bottle or wine bottle, but
Okay.
very careful about don't break the wine bottle.
So now it's in the refrigerator now, right?
Yeah.
How long?
You can eat from like a half an hour,
Okay.
but you can stay overnight. Okay, so let's check spicy cucumber, angry cucumber, Chinese style. Ta-da! It's well done, right? Well done. Cut and serve. And just the end of the... Oh, sorry! Oh my god. I dropped it. What's happened? You can put on your beautiful plate. You know, I'm still shocked because I dropped one of the best cucumber. But you know, I just secretly serve to my husband. Okay, I washed very well. Washed very well. Sorry, Tom. You don't know anything. 3-second rule, even though I washed. Here. I love you, Tom. Here. And if you're rotating, so which one was dropped, you don't know. And the sauce you can add on the top. Sesame seed for garnish. Voilà, here you are. Bon appetit!